I'm everything and I'm nothing. You want to know what's sad is that we in a day and age to where because of social media, people think that everyone is replaceable. You know what I'm saying? It's gotten to the point to where it's like people want this perfect human being. And if you do one thing wrong, you have one argument to the dumpster. You know what I'm saying? They throwing you out and they getting a copy. They getting a replacement. And it's like it's so sad because a lot of people have to understand, bro, there's so many amazing people you can meet, you know what I'm saying, through the internet. I'm sure y'all have met amazing people, whether it's on YouTube, social media, or whatever. I'm sure you have met at least one amazing person through the internet that you cannot have met in real life. And those people, you don't just throw them away the minute they do something wrong or do something you don't like. You still work with them. You know what I'm saying? Of course, if they cross that line, then you might distance yourself, but you don't just throw someone away or just cut someone off because of one thing or one bad argument that y'all have. And I'm so tired of people acting like we're robots now. It's like gotten to the point to where people egos, I say this all the time, because of social media, people's egos are on cloud nine. And it's ridiculous. Like, I hope y'all know nobody's perfect. Nobody on this earth is perfect. Look, y'all gotta understand. Everyone on this earth is going to make you mad. They're going to piss you off. I'm sure your mom, your dad, your family, your friends, I'm sure they all pissed you off, bro. I'm sure they made you want to punch a hole in the wall. I'm sure they have. But you don't just go around, you know what I'm saying, because you get in an argument with your parents, say, hey, y'all, I'm an orphan. Now, just because you get into one argument with your parents, no, it don't work like that. You work it out, you know what I'm saying, you get cooled off, and you come back. It's that simple. Now, some people with their parents, they might not have the best relationship. They might cut their parents off because of something messed up, and that's perfectly understandable. But for regular people, you might get into a confrontation with your parents. You're not just finna cut them out your life because of that. It don't work like that. That's not reality. That's not real life. So you can't just be thinking that you could just do whatever and it won't have no type of effect. Yes, bro, that stuff is gonna come back because that person that you cut off, that person who really care about you, who really has your back, who really been there for you when you wanted to, hey, I need somebody to call, or hey, I'm not feeling so good. They was right there for you. Those people that person, they ain't gonna come back. You can't replace that. You can't replace certain people, and that's a fact. Some people you might be able to replace them even though everybody different, but like when it comes to an emotional connection, you can't replace that. That vibe, that energy, you can't replace that no matter where you go on this earth. You will not be able to replace that. There's some people, if you cut them off, you might cut a part of yourself off because they helped you that much. So if you, y'all, please, if you meet someone who helps you, who gets you through the day, who motivates you, who inspires you to do something with your life, don't just cut them off for any reason. Don't. Because that is only going to hurt you more. I might seem crazy right now. It might not seem like you will feel anything, but I guarantee you in the long run it's going to hurt you. Because it's so hard to find a person who genuinely actually care about you. I want y'all to know that. Not everybody care about you. No, some people, bro, most people, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. 99.9% of people bro, they do not care about your problems. They do not care about your life. They don't care. You got people that will literally just look at you, just lurking around in your life, but don't say anything, don't do nothing. Bro, you could be on your deathbed, needing something, and they will just look through their screens or whatever mirrors, wherever they're looking at. They just gonna look and stare. There's so many people like that. So if you meet someone who actually cares, who takes action, who, you know what I'm saying, sacrifices their time to be with you, don't just cut them off. Don't. Because that's gonna hurt them. They might hurt them too. So not only you might hurt yourself in the long run, but you hurting somebody else too. You not understand how egotistical that sounds. You not understand how terrible that sounds to just cut someone off because they might not have said something that you like, or they might have hurt your feelings. Bro, everybody gonna hurt your feelings. That's why soulmates do not exist. You need to get that Disney picture of a perfect relationship, whether it's friendship, romantically. Get it out your head. Get it out your head. Get it out your head right now. Because it's not reality. Bro, that's not real. I'm going to repeat that. That is not real. It ain't real. It's fake. They made it up because it sells. That's the only reason they put it out there. I know it's hard because we grow up watching this stuff thinking that's how relationships and stuff work. No, it don't. You need to get that out your head because that's only going to destroy your expectations. It's only going to make things worse. Nobody is going to fulfill your needs or whatever you got in your mind for a partner or for a friendship. Not everybody gonna be like that. In fact, most people are not gonna be like that, and that's perfectly fine. You know what I'm saying? Everyone has their own unique set. You know what I'm saying? Some people might be outgoing, some people might be shy, some people might not be open to new things, some people might be very open. Everybody's different, so you can't expect someone to be exactly how they are in your mind, because that's not reality, man. That's why, bro, that stuff don't exist. Just because someone gets on your nerves or someone might do something you don't like does not mean that they're not made for you, bro. I want you to know that. The minute you leave something or run away from something because it doesn't feel good, you're gonna be in an endless chase because everyone is going to hurt you. The key is there's certain people who were willing to endure the pain for. Does that mean it's abusive relationship? No, it's reciprocated. So if you love someone and they might hurt you, but they reciprocate that love, it's worth going through some pain. But if you just loving someone and they just dealing you out pain, they not reciprocating, that's definitely one-sided. We don't want that. You don't want that. But if you have people who genuinely loves you, who communicates with you, and they might give you some pain, it's worth it. It's worth it. Pain is gonna be somewhere you're not able to ever run away from. It's gonna be there. It's gonna stay there. You gotta endure it. It's not about it's not about running away from pain. That's not how it's supposed to be. The key is to endure and deal with the pain, deal with the stress. That's how we grow. That's how we grow. We have to evolve. We have to mature. That's what we have to do. We can't stay the same, and more importantly, we can't act immature and have unrealistic expectations. We don't do that. That's not a good way to live, and that's not a reasonable way to live, because you only gonna cause yourself more harm, more depression, and mentally you're gonna break. Because if your reality is getting shattered by all this fakeness, then you're gonna literally have a traumatic event. You know what I'm saying? Y'all have to understand, there's certain people in this life, in this world, who's waiting for you right now, who really wants to actually be with you, who wants to have your back, who wants to see you. They want to see you at the top. They want to see you grow. They want to see that. Not everyone is out to get you. Not everyone is your enemy. Not everyone is like that. I'm not saying let your guard down, but don't just think everyone is out to get you. Don't think everybody out to hurt you. It's not like that. For me, I'm trying to help you. You help me, y'all help me while I help you. It's a process, you know what I'm saying? Because we all connected. So if I love myself, I'm loving y'all. And if y'all love me, y'all loving yourself. We all connected, bro. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment down, subscribe. I love y'all, man. I love y'all. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.